Hello, kids. I hope you all are safe and fine. I am your maths teacher, and today we will learn a new chapter. Our chapter name is Chapter 7 Measurement. So, let's start. Our first topic is longer and shorter. So, in our first picture, there are two pencils given. Left pencil is shorter than the right pencil. Left pencil is shorter than the right pencil. Right pencil is longer and left pencil is shorter. Then letters are given. Left ladder is shorter and right ladder is longer. Then we have to tick that which is longer. Tick the longer. Tick the longer. So here two leaves are given. Left one is shorter and right one is longer. So we have to tick the longer one. So we will take this one. Then swiper is given. Swiper means from which we always dust in our house. This swiper is shorter and this is longer. So we will take this one. Then there are two ropes given here and two sticks are given here. And our question is take the shorter one. So this left side rope is shorter and this right side rope is longer. This rope is shorter and this rope is longer. So we will take this rope as it is shorter than this one. Then next there are two sticks given here. This left side stick is shorter and this right side stick is bigger, means longer. So shorter and longer. So here we have to take shorter. So we will take this one. So now we will move to our next topic. Our next topic is longest and shortest. Page number 94. Longest and shortest. Here there are three chilies given. This chili is the longest one and this chili is the shortest one. So, our first question is take the longest. We have to take the longest from these three. So, which one is the longest? This oar is the longest from these two. So, we will take this oar. Then, there are three baby corns given. So which corn is the longest from these three? Which corn is the longest from these three? This. So we will take this one. Then our next question is take the shortest. We have to take the shortest stick from these three. Which stick is the shortest one? This. So we will take this. Then our next topic is taller and shorter. Page number 95. Here there are two giraffes given. This left side giraffe is the taller and this baby giraffe is the shorter. Then there are two persons given here. Two men are given in the picture. This left side man is the taller and this man is the shorter one. So, take the taller. We have to take from these two animals. So, this one is the taller than sparrow. Sparrow is shorter and crane is taller. So, we will take right side animal. Then there are two pictures given here. Cow and baby cow. Cow is taller and baby cow is shorter. So we will take cow. We will take longer one. Take the shorter. Dog and puppy. Puppy is shorter and dog is longer. So we have to take the shorter one. So we will take puppy. Then next is there are two plants given here. This one is longer and this one is shorter. We have to take the shorter one. So we will take this. Yay! We have completed 3 topics. Our next topic is tallest and shortest. From these 3 houses, this one is the tallest and this one is the shortest. From these 3 trees, this one is the tallest and this one is the shortest. Then from these 3 birds, which one is the tallest and which one is the shortest? This sparrow is the shortest and this crane is the tallest. So we have to take the tallest. So we will take here. There are 3 men, 3 jokers given here. Joker you see in circus. Take the shortest. We have to take the joker which is the shortest. So we will take this joker. Then our next page is thicker and thinner. This plate is, this choti is thinner and this choti is thicker. Choti is also known as plates. Then this thread is thicker and this thread is thinner. Then swiper. This is thicker and this is thinner. So we have to take the thicker. Take the thicker object. So this is thicker. So we will take here. This tree is thicker and this tree roots is thinner. So we have to take thicker one. So we will take this one. Take the thinnest. This arrow is thinnest and this is thicker. This is thinner and this is thicker. We have to take the thinner arrow. So we will take this one. Then our next picture is rope. This one is the thicker and this rope is the thinner. So we will take this rope as we have to take the thinner one. So we will take this rope. Yay! Then our next page is about thickest and thinnest. There are three books picture given here. This book is thickest and this book is thinnest. Then paper is given here. This paper is thickest and this paper roll is the thinnest. Then we have to take from this pencil. Take the thickest. We have to take the pencil which is thickest. This is thinner, this is thinnest and this is the thickest. So we will take this. Take the thinnest. We have to take thinnest brush from the three. Is this the thinnest brush? No. Is this the thinnest brush? No. This brush is the thinnest one. So we will take this one. I hope you understood these topics. So go through the PPT, finish your homework and send it to the following email IDs.